everybody, welcome back to Grandma's Corner, where making cheap videos is the most fun you can ever have, and that's why I'm doing it. Today we are going to be making homemade ice cream. Get excited about that! This is the easiest recipe ever, and it literally takes 5 minutes to do. Anybody can do this at home. All right, before we get started, remember 2 things. 1, you need to wash your hands. Remember that video about how long you should wash your hands for? Sing that song twice, the happy birthday song, or counting in Spanish to 10 twice, and then you are going to have germ-free hands. The other thing is that if your hair is growing long, get it back in a pony. We don't want any extra ingredients in our food. All right, let's get started. So we are going to put in 1/4 cup of milk. I don't drink very much milk, so I always keep dry milk on hand. You can make 1/4 cup of dried milk, reconstitute it in water, and that's perfectly fine. Whole milk, low-fat milk, non-fat milk, coconut milk, almond milk, any kind of milk is just fine. The other thing you're going to add is 1/4 cup of half and half. This is often used in our coffee for those of us who enjoy that. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. There we go. And remember, these are our measuring spoons that we have used in many recipes before. The tablespoon is the largest. The next thing we're going to add is vanilla, and we don't need very much of that, only 1/4 teaspoon. I have already combined all the ingredients in here, and I am ready to get shaken. So once you've combined them all you want to do is pour this liquid into a baggie. Now, if you're like me, I wash my baggies, but I'm going to use a new one on this project because I want to make sure there aren't any holes in my baggie. That would be a recipe for disaster. All right, this is going to become your ice cream. You are now going to add this to a gallon-sized bag that has 3 cups of ice in it and 3 tablespoons of salt. Now, I just use regular salt. You can use ice cream salt, you can use rock salt, kosher salt, whatever. This works just fine. My salt is already in there. I'm gonna throw the goods in the bag, seal it very tightly, and I discovered that this gets cold. So I'm gonna arm myself with my trusty gloves that I use for washing dishes. Remember that video on how to wash dishes? That's how you can contribute to your family. Ta-da! I'm ready. All right, so you take your bag, and all you do is you go back and forth, and you shake this thing up for about 3 to 5 minutes. You're going to notice if you pinch the green bag with the ice cream liquid in it that it's going to start to get harder and harder and harder. I already made mine, and I put it in the cup here, and it is the most delicious vanilla ice cream I have had in weeks. You can top it off with nuts, berries, syrups, sprinkles, granola, anything you like. I just like it the way it is. Wow, I wish you can taste what I'm tasting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and get cracking on making your own homemade ice cream. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.